It's time to take a look at using SmartArt in Microsoft Office. It's not only available in PowerPoint, even though that's where I use it most of the time. It's also available in Word, Excel, and even in Outlook. Now, SmartArt is a way of explaining data by using images, of course. So let's take a look. I'm going to just change the layout of my PowerPoint to blank. And then let's go and look at SmartArt. So if I go to Insert and I go to SmartArt there next to 3D models, under the SmartArt, there's quite a lot that you can choose from. So I'm going to just scroll through and see if I can find that SmartArt I want to use. There we go. So this is for a project, and I want to explain the three different areas that are very important for me. So I'm going to take the SmartArt, and I also just want to make the slide a little bit different. So I'm going to go Insert Pictures, and let's go find a cool image that we can use. So Images, there is a cool one. There we go. That's the one I was looking for. And I'm just zooming out. How cool is PowerPoint? It's already coming up with design ideas for me. You rock, man. So just send that to the back. I'm going to close the design ideas. And now I'm back on being able to finish my SmartArt. So I've got a background for my SmartArt now. And I'm going to just zoom in a little bit and make sure that my SmartArt is as big as I want to use it. I'm going to just move it to the right-hand side of the screen. So even before I'm going to add the text, I just want to color this different. So if I click on a specific object, I can go to File, Shape Fill, and I can go to Eyedropper and say, that's the color I want of that one. I'm going to right click again and say Format Shape so that the box opens on the right, which means I can set transparency on my shapes. There we go. So let's pick the next color. And again, Shape Fill. I'm going to pick that nice green there. Again, going to make it about 50% transparent. And then I'm going to change the color on this one as well. I think the blue will work, 50%. I also want to take the lines off, so no line, no line. And now if I click on this little button there, it actually expands my text again. So let's say this is all about the users, this is training, and this is support. So let's say user experience. Now you'll see that it already looks pretty cool, right? So so there's the image that I can use then for my SmartArt. Let's do a test and see if we can add another object. So you'll see then that if you add another object and the specific SmartArt doesn't support more than that number of line items, it'll actually show it with a little X to tell you that that you actually can't add another one there. So that's how easy SmartArt is. Of course, when you select the SmartArt as well, I went and changed the way it looked, but I can also go to the Design tab. I can change colors here, and I can also change the way the shapes present. So there you'll see that it's got different types of objects that you can actually look at to see what the SmartArt looks like. Please be careful not to overdo that, because too much is never a good thing when it comes to creativity. So I hope that you'll enjoy using SmartArt and to get your point across when you need to tell a story.